Hello everyone, welcome to IT Projects Ideas. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to make an intruder security alarm using a vibration sensor and Attiny85. You can also use any Arduino compatible board to make this project. And here I have made the same project using Arduino Nano as well. You can implement this system in your vehicle, so as any intruder or someone tries to sit on your bike, it will create some vibration and the alarm will start buzzing with flashing LED. In this project, we will connect the vibration sensor to the DC Spark Attiny85. When there is no vibration, the output of the vibration sensor is 0, that is low voltage, else the output is 1, which means high voltage. If Attiny85 gets one output from the vibration sensor, it will turn on buzzer and LED. So without further delay, let's get started. Components required for building this project: DC Spark Attiny85 board, vibration sensor, buzzer, LED, jumper wires, and breadboard. The circuit connection is fairly simple. Connect the ground pin of the vibration sensor, buzzer, and LED to the GND pin of Attiny85. Now connect the VCC pin of the vibration sensor to the 5V pin. Similarly, D0 signal pin to P2 pin of Attiny85. Lastly, connect the buzzer positive pin to P3 and the LED positive pin to the P1 pin of DC Spark Attiny85. Now let's move to the program code. I will explain each and every step of the program code so that it will help you to understand and modify it according to your requirements. First, we define the variable buzz for the buzzer, BS for vibration sensor, and LED for red LED with your pin interface with Attiny85. In a void setup, we have defined the pin mode function for all the components. Here, in a loop, the program reads the data from the vibration sensor. If there is a vibration, the result is high. In this condition, buzzer and LED are turned on. Else the buzzer and LED remains in an off state. This is the final program code for intruder security alarm using vibration sensor and Attiny85 board. Before uploading the code, make sure you have set up your Arduino IDE for the DC Spark Attiny board. If you have not, then watch my previous video provided in this I button. Now select DC Spark board from Tools menu. Also select the programmer as micronucleus and choose its comport. Finally, press the upload button after compiling the code. Connect your DC Spark Attiny85 board within 60 seconds. Wait for micronucleus done. Thank you message for the successful upload of the program. Now it's time to test the intruder security alarm using a vibration sensor project. Gently shake the vibration sensor and you will start getting feedback from the buzzer and LED. You can also make the same project using Arduino. Here I have used Arduino Nano. I will provide the link to the program code in the description below. So that's all for this video. This is a very useful project and has a wide range of applications in the security field. If you like this tutorial, then share this project with your friends. If you need help, then comment down below. It's me Ashtika signing off for today. See you soon.